have water, we have a dinosaur, and we have the Bajiwali. All right. That's a lovely tree. Contestant number one. Let's hear it for contestant number one. Wow, lovely.
Hello everybody, my name is Janita Fernandez and I am a tree. I wanted you all to know that just because I do not move around like you humans and animals, that I do not have any life or feelings. I feel happy when you eat my fruits and decorate yourself with my flowers. I feel proud when you use my flowers, leaves, and bark to make medicine to heal yourself. I feel relaxed when you rest in my shade, but I do feel sad and pain when you cut me down, as many birds, reptiles, and animals will be homeless as I take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen for you to breathe in. I also prevent landslides by holding the soil firm with my roots. So now it is up to you to decide if you want to go for deforestation or save trees. Thank you.
Contestant number one, ladies and gentlemen, the lovely tree. All right, calling on contestant number two, the doctor. A big round of applause for our lovely doctor, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, fathers, judges, and everyone. My name is Alona John Roderick. I am a doctor. I take care of patients. A doctor is a dedicated person. A doctor is a person who treats everyone equally. A doctor who saves life of patients by his service. Some doctors are specialistic like cardiologists, eye special, etc. Doctors are the most important thing in our life. Doctor treats us by various ways. Doctor is a type of God. If doctor is not there, then we are not there. Doctor are the wonderful gift of God. Thank you.
All right, the next contestant is Shravan, contestant number three. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Give them your love. Come on, give it up for them.
Good evening, fathers, judges, parents, and my dear friends. I am Shravan. I am a devoted and a loving son. I always respect my parents and want to fulfill all their wishes. I never back answer them or make them angry. But you know, my parents are blind and they cannot walk. They have a wish to go to the pilgrimage. Hence, I have made this to carry my parents on my shoulders. I will take them through the mountains and river with a smile on my face. Friends, parents are like God. We must love them and always respect them. I love you lots, Mommy and Daddy. Thank you.
All right. We have contestant number four, that's Save Earth. Contestant number four. A big round of applause for our contestant number four. If you all do not, he'll get all blue now. Come on.
Good evening, everyone. Respected judges, parents, and all dignitaries present here. My name is Elzaro Di Costa, and I am Earth. Help, help, help. Please help me. I cannot breathe. I am choked with poisonous gases. I am on the verge of dying. You human beings are exploiting the natural resources to satisfy your needs. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are used on a large scale, which leads to water and soil pollution. Besides that, there are big factories and industries which gives out harmful smoke affecting the environment.
All right, that
Please, please, please stop polluting my land and water. Stop cutting trees. Stop making smoke everywhere. Please give me my green. Please give me my green. Heal me, heal the future. Thank you.
save Earth. Hello, check. Hello. All right, the next contestant is Mera Naam Joker. Contestant number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, Mera Naam Joker.
Namaste ji, namaste ji, namaste ji. I am Raj Kapoor, the showman of Indian cinemas. Mera Naam Joker is my favorite film, and this is my favorite role. Jokers make you laugh, forget all your troubles. But every time Joker not available, you must be Joker of your own life. Relax, chill, laugh sometimes. It is good for your health. Don't run behind money. Money can buy you a bed, but not sleep. Money can buy you food, but not hunger. Money can buy you friends, but not love. Take out time for yourself. Enjoy little moments. Create beautiful memories. Then people will remember you after you're gone. Now I have to go. Someone else will take my place. But the show must go on. ये मेरा गीत जीवन संगीत कल भी कोई दोहराएगा जग को हंसाने पैरों पिया रूप बदल के फिर आएगा स्वर भी यही नर भी यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहा. Thank you.
Lovely. That was Mera Naam Joker. In the meantime, let me announce about our platinum sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, for tonight's event has been sponsored by Ronaldo's Family Restaurant and Alf Engineering Private Limited. That's our platinum sponsors. Our diamond sponsors are Suraj Developers. All right, calling on contestant number 6, Save Earth. Contestant number 6. Come on, I can't hear anybody clapping. All right, that's it. Lovely.
Good evening, judges and my dear friend. My name is Atilia Silvera. I am 6 years old. This is the earth that God gave us. We also call it as Mother Earth. The earth was green. It was clean. The air was fresh. The water was pure. This is what we have made to the earth. We cut trees, we litter, we pollute. The air we breathe is polluted. The water we drink is contaminated. This
is affecting us. Please take care of the earth as you take care of your mother. If you wish to save the earth, think green and act green. Thank you.
Very well said. Very well. All right, the judges are ready for the next contestant. Contestant number 7 is a lovely, delicious cake. Let's give it up for the cake. That's the cakewalk.
Good evening, respective judges, priests, parents, and all my dear friends. Till now, you all must have recognized me. Yes, I am the cake. I'm baked in an oven and decorated with frosting. I spread joy, happiness, and togetherness. Y'all all know that y'all cannot start an occasion without me, such as christening, communion, birthdays, anniversaries, and weddings. You'll all know the importance of me in your lives. I'm fluffy, soft, and melt in your mouth. And I am favorite to all of you. Don't you all agree? Thank you.
Well, in the meantime, let me announce the stalls that we have. We have SIP Academy. We have Jones. We have Bank of Maharashtra stall. We have also a banner of the Bank of India. We have Citizens Cooperative Bank stall. Prime Eximus. We also have Thangabali. That's a South Indian restaurant who have given us gift vouchers tonight. All right, contestant number 8. Contestant number 8 is Humanity. Please give it up for contestant number 8.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Kerisa Koilo. I have dressed as Humanity. Hello everyone. Do you recognize me? No? Oh, I understand. I'm hard to find these days. You people look at me with the eyes of religion. You people look at me as Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, or Christian. If I remove all this identity, you people see me who really I am. Yes, you guessed right. I am humanity. You people look at me with the eyes of soul. You shall not judge anyone by its color, caste, or religion, because alone I can smile, together we can laugh. Alone I can speak, together we can talk. Alone I can enjoy, together we can celebrate. That's the willpower of humanity. Thank you.
Well, that was contestant number 8, Humanity. All right, contestant number 9, the Fisher Lady. Come on, give it up for the Fisher Lady.
My name is Ria Fernandez. I come from Matthew Zone, community number 21. I am a fisher lady. मावशे हाक करे की ताजी ताजी मावरा हाय गे की जोरी 50ला दिली या इकडचा मावरा नाही वसईचा मावरा हाय ओ काका ओ मामा या की
Lovely. That was contestant number 9, our Fisher lady. Well, do you have a human body with 37 trillion cells that are getting attacked with free radicals and leading you into oxidative stress and getting you aging faster? If you have these, then you have to start your anti-aging strategy. Connect with the anti-aging expert at the Genesis stall. All right, the next contestant is contestant number 10, Mother Earth. Contestant number 10.
Good evening, judges.
A bigger round of applause first before she starts. Yeah, the gentleman in the black t-shirt. Superb. Very nice.
Good evening, judges, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Thea Alfonso, and I am dressed as Mother Earth. I am Mother Earth. I gave you birth. I gave you hills, rivers, mountains, and trees that are worth. But now I am dying. But now I am crying because I am not clean. Now I am dying because there is no green. I am your dear mother. Don't pollute me. Grow more trees and make me clean. Thank you.
Well, that was contestant number what is it? 10, yeah. Okay, there is no 11. Judges, please note contestant number 11 is not there. So we go straight to contestant number 12. Contestant number 12 is the crocodile. Please welcome the crocodile, contestant number 12.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Derek D'Souza. I'm a crocodile. Never smile at a crocodile. No, you can't get friendly with a crocodile. Don't be taken in by his welcome grin. He's imagining how well you fit within his skin. Never smile at a crocodile. Never tip your hat and stop to talk a while. Never run, walk away, say good night, not good day. Cloudy eyes that never smile, Mr. Crocodile. Never smile at a crocodile. No, you can't get friendly with a crocodile. Don't be taken in by his welcome grin. He's imagining how well you fit within his skin. Thank you.
Okay, this next contestant is really going to get you right up into the sky. Please welcome contestant number 13, the Space Shuttle. Come on, let's give it up for the Space Shuttle. Contestant number 13.
Hello everyone, my name is Eldrick D'Souza and I am a space shuttle. Space shuttle, also known as transportation system. Space shuttle, also known as space transportation system, partially reusable rocket launch device to go to space. Now I'm going to sing a song for you. Zoom, 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 I'm going to the moon. Zoom, 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 I'm going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, come aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 I'm going to the moon. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Zoom, 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 I'm going to the moon. Thank you.
All right, that was the space shuttle just taking off. We have our last two contestants. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 14, Mother Mary. Contestant number 14. Come on, let's hear it for her.
Shalom to one and all. I am a lady of salvation, and I have come to see how you are celebrating my feast. The people of Dadar are good people. Continue praying the rosary. Go for Mass regularly and do everything that my son Jesus tells you to do. I will ask Jesus to bless you abundantly. See you soon. Happy feast.
And also clap for her. Thank you. That's what she's saying. Well, our last contestant, contestant number 15, Maggie Noodles. Everybody loves Maggie. Come on. Contestant number 15. Come on, give them some love. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 15.
Good evening, one and all. I am Maggie Noodles, nicely dressed in yellow and red. All children love me, yummy and tasty. I am available in 4 flavors: masala, chicken, tomato and curry. I am healthy with a round twist with goodness of protein and calcium, slipping down your lip to lip. Easy to make, tear the packet, empty in a pan. Ha! Water is boiling when? And I'm ready to eat. Last but not the least, do you know, friends, I am also a boon for every single bachelor. Thank you.
All right, let's hear it for Maggie Noodles, ladies and gentlemen. That was all the contestants from 6 and above. A picture, if you all want to take a picture. And Nigel will play some music for us. All right, in the meantime, we are giving away the prize for the loudest clapper. Once again, everybody, a round of applause to you all. And the winner is here. Yes, we have to ask her name. Your name, madam? Yar. Her name is Yar. Yar. Wow. Yar D'Souza, I hope. Superb. I would like to be also your Yar friend like her. My name is Engelbert Rose, by the way. Okay, a very special prize that's sponsored by Thangabali. That's a restaurant, lovely restaurant. I think it's in Mahim, if I'm not mistaken. You gift the moon? Moon prize, okay, but she doesn't want moon prize, baby. She'll take the Thangabali coupon. Yeah, your name, tell me your name first. Martha, come on, let's hear it for Martha, ladies and gentlemen. Martha gets a lovely coupon, a gift voucher from Thangabali, and you can call me to eat if you're, okay. Since you call me Yar now. Can we have the coupon, please, the gift coupon? Once again, our main sponsors, the platinum sponsors for tonight are Ronaldo's Family Restaurant. They have their restaurants in Bombay and Goa. All right, we have Alf Engineering, also a platinum sponsor, and Suraj Developers are diamond sponsors. Okay, this is the Thangabali 1,000 rupees gift voucher for our loudest person who with the strongest hands, I could say. Very nice. So anytime you want somebody to clap, please call her. Martha is here. She's from Dadar parish only. Okay? The #1 clapper out here. Alright, can we have our judges on stage, please? And if they can say one of them or both of them can say a few words just to guide the little children out here. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Asta and Maya, can we have you on stage? Thank you.
Hello, good evening, and thank you for having us over here. And thank you for giving all the children such a huge opportunity to be at their creative best. And parents, good job. And yeah, it's just, I wish I could give, we could give a prize to all the students because all of them were great. So, a round of applause for the kids.
It was very competitive. We could not judge the best. Everyone was good, and the best will be the winner. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, any guesses for the... We'll go from 3, number 3. You can just say, there were so many people out here, okay? There were Shravan, Tree, Mera Naam Joker, Saber, Cake, Fisher Lady, etc. So any guesses? If you say correctly, you'll get. Chalo. Which one? Acha, they all like Mera Naam Joker. Okay, I will tell you, you're almost correct, but number 3 goes to Colgate, toothpaste and brush. That is Ian Richard Fernandez. Can we have Ian for the 6 years and below? Come on. Below 6 years. Ian, there he's coming. He's brushing his teeth and coming. Okay, Ian Richard comes on top. Let's have some little music while he's coming. Pump us up a bit. Oh yes, so nice. Darshil, thank you. Come on, Ian. Come on, a big round of applause for Ian Richard Fernandez, the 3rd place winner for under 6 years. All right. Okay, 2nd prize goes out to Crusalda Dias, also Colgate toothpaste and brush. That shows how important it is to brush twice a day. Okay, you get 2 prizes. Yeah, Crusalda Dias. For all those who guessed correctly, you're going to get a full year's toothpaste and toothbrush. Okay, contestant number 1. That's junk food versus healthy food. Can we have Nelvina Mendonça? Look at her proud dada bringing on top. My goodness, running. Super. Nelvina Mendonça. I was really amazed how much she remembered and she was saying it by heart. My God, I said, God, I could not study that much. Superb. Miss Mendonça, let's go. Nelvina. All right, very shortly we will be coming up with the for the 6 years and above. We have a scorekeepers doing the score. Okay, in the meantime, I have 1 spot prize. If you can come here, you're going to give me the answer. Just come here and give me the answer. Okay, I'll ask you a question. You're going to reply very simple, very easy. A child can come or an adult can come. It doesn't matter. Okay? Let me see. The question is, it's very simple. It's for all of you who don't use Google and don't go every time on the phone and don't keep on doing this texting, you will be able to better answer it. Okay? What is red and looks like a bucket? Very complicated, but you got to think and tell me the answer. What is red? R-E-D, red, and looks like a bucket. Okay. Toothpaste cover, superb. Come, sir. Let me hear this gentleman here. I need to hear your answer on the mic. so everybody can hear. No, not toothpaste. This gentleman, the photographer, who's taking photographs. See, sir, you're a young guy. He looks a little bit older, so I guess he got the correct answer. What's the correct answer, sir?
Red bucket.
See, red bucket. Simple. Correct? No, Martha's laughing so much. Simple answer. What is red? Looks like a bucket. He is lovely old school. I like old school. Red bucket. See? The new people say some cherry and something else and something. Very nice. One very special prize. We'll give him a gift, okay? Dominic is the winner. What is red and looks like a bucket? It's a red bucket. Superb, Dominic. We will give you a prize. Just hold on. We'll just get it organized, okay? All right. Are we ready with the scores? Yes. Okay. Who is in charge of that little spot prize to give? Huh. Benedict, can we have you here? All right, we are ready with the results for the 6 to the 10 years fancy dress. Now let's hear third prize winners. Prizes are coming there. Okay, by public demand, the third prize winners, Neron Fernandez, Mera Naam Joker. Are you here, Neron? Oh, there he is. Come on, a big round of applause for our very own Kapoor. Mr. Raj, please come. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Second prize. Any guesses? Yeah, correct. The cake. Can we have Glynis Fernandez, the delicious 0-calorie cake? That's why she won, because it was 0 calories. Wow, and she dressed up like a princess now. See. We have one of the judges wanting to eat her up now. Superb. That's Glynis Fernandez, the cake. Okay, contestant for the first prize winner is Elzaro De Costa, Earth, the man in blue, ladies and gentlemen. Salute Surf 2020 fancy dress winner for the age group 6 to 10. Elzaro De Costa, Earth. Come on, now stand again and lovely. Okay, lovely. Very good. Dominic, since you answered that, I will not give you another prize, but I'll ask you one more question. I'm thinking you'll answer correctly this also. What comes after the solar system? It looks like your type, that type of, you can answer. Come closer, sir.
What comes after the solar system?
Yeah.
I don't know that much.
No? I thought you would say Satra system, that's why. Yeah. Because that is very simple. I've heard of many, but Satra system is the most simple answer we could give. Okay? Now, okay, once again, this prize is sponsored. Okay, this is the Thangabali prize gift voucher once again for Dominic. Dominic, congratulations. It's a lovely restaurant. It gives you South Indian kind of lovely. Oh, you want to take a picture? Superb. Yes. With the phone, chalo. I know. All right, we're getting ready for the next competition in the meantime. Yep. Ignatius, please come over here. You get a prize from Tangabali, I guess. It's not Tangabali. It's okay. Lovely. This is one of your sport prizes. Congratulations. Have fun. Okay, we're about to start with Salvation Has Talent. Remember, you can do whatever you want for your talent. You can sing, you can act, you can do a mimicry performance, you can do some acrobatics, anything, but it's talent. Here we go. Judges are ready. Everybody's ready. Contestant number 1. They're going to be doing a song. So there's vocal and an accompaniment. So there's somebody going to play and somebody going to sing. So let's have contestant number 1. Salvation Has Talent. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All these people are your parishioners.
Hello, check.
The snow goes white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I have tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. You can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.
उसके बाद बारी आती और एक स्वर्गीय फिल्म स्टार एक्शन कलाकार राजकुमार. किस तरह राजकुमार जुम्मा से चुम्मा मांगने आएंगे?
जुम्मा जानी तुम हो और हम हैं जानी. ना तुम रहोगे और ना हम रहेंगे, क्योंकि हम हैं, हम बाजीगर नहीं मगर हम सौदागर हैं और हमारे हैं 14 घर और हमारा नाम सुनहरी अक्षरों में तख्तो ताज पे हिंदुस्तान के लिखा जाएगा राजकुमार. क्योंकि हमने देखे हैं बहुत दुश्मनी करने वाले मगर हम नहीं आग और बारूद से मरने वाले.
बाद में बारी आती थी और एक एक्शन फिल्म स्टार दोस्ताना और शान फेम शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा साहब. देखो किस तरह एक्शन फिल्म स्टार शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा साहब.
जुम्मा अरे जल्दी से मुझे भी प्यार से चुम्मा दे दे. अगर कहें तुमने हमें चुम्मा देने से इनकार किया तो तेरे आस की तैसे, क्योंकि जली का आग कहते हैं बुझे का राख कहते हैं. जिस राख से बारूद बत्ती है उसी को विश्वनाथ कहते हैं.
उसके बाद बारी आ जाती है और एक फिल्म स्टार अजीत साहब. राम बलराम फेम अजीत, पुराने जमाने के विलेन स्वर्गीय अजीत साहब आते तो किस तरह अजीत साहब.
चुम्मा डार्लिंग, प्लीज गिव मी वन चुम्मा. ये सारा शहर हमें लॉयन के नाम से जानती है और इस शहर में हमारी वही हैसियत है जो एक लॉयन की तरह होती है, क्योंकि राम और बलराम को हमारे अड्डे का पता हो चुका है. थोड़ी ही देर में मोना डार्लिंग बर्मिंघम से सारा लूटा सोना लेकर हिंदुस्तान की सेहत पार करेगी. इसके पहले कि राम और बलराम यहाँ पे आ जाए हमें फौरन चुम्मा दे देना बरखुरदार. और अगर कहीं तुमने हमें चुम्मा देने से इनकार किया तो हम तुम्हारी ऐसे हसद करेंगे जो हमने बाकी कैदियों को की है. इसके पहले कि राम और बलराम यहाँ पे आ जाए हमें फौरन चुम्मा दे देना, क्योंकि रॉबर्ट थोड़ी ही देर में हॉबर्ट को साइकिल पर लेके यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. स्मार्ट गर्ल, प्लीज गिव मी वन चुम्मा.
All right, contestant number 3, your 3 minutes up. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
That was contestant number 2. Sorry, contestant number 2. All right, coming up next is contestant number 3. She's going to be singing a song and she's going to play the guitar herself. Come on, let's hear it for contestant number 3.
My name is Ria Fernandez. I'm going to play a song Leaving on a Jet Plane by John Denver. All my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up and say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking. It's early morn. The taxi's waiting. His loan is on. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me that you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling.
Get the point? Good. Let's dance.
आया हूँ आज मैं, लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा। रोके कोई मुझे, टोके कोई मुझे, दूंगा उसे जहाँ से मिटा। मुकाला, मुकाबला, लैला, ओहो लैला, मुकाबला, सुभान अल्लाह, लैला, ओहो लैला।
Lovely. That was contestant number 5, the group dancers, with their fusion song.
खत्म नहीं हुआ बावड़ी पूछ, अबे ढोल पीट ले।
कैसा लगा? लगा कैसा?
3, 2.
Lovely. They need a bigger round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, bring your hands together for contestant number 6.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा, चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या, सेन्योरिटा सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या, निगाहों ने निगाहों से कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा, ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिटा, मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा, चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या, सेन्योरिटा सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या। जो भी पल बीता सेन्योरिटा, हर पल तुमने है दिल जीता, बस इतनी सी तो बात है,
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí,
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा, चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या, सेन्योरिटा सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या।
All right, that was our last contestant, contestant number 7. Come on, let's hear a bigger round of applause. Come on, Salvation. Salvation has talent. Okay.